guys, how's it going? Got another exhaust battle for you today. It's a little bit different today because today we're at Open Roads Auto Sales and we're going to be doing an exhaust battle with this nice Audi R8 V10. There's the 10 in there. So it's going to be pretty different, two different cars here, V8 versus V10, modified exhaust versus stock exhaust, front engine versus rear engine, the list goes on. Still excited to bring it to you though, guys. Really want to hear this R8. So we're gonna have some fun anyways, guys. Two totally different cars, totally different sounds, but they both sound great. Let's get to it. Alright guys, now let's see what we can do with the Audi R8. Well guys, that's all the Audi will allow me to do for revs. Won't let me go past 3,000. So let's do a couple little light drive-bys and see what we can do. All right. Well, it's another exhaust battle down in the books. Special thanks to the crew at Open Roads Auto Sales for letting me even get the keys to that Audi R8. It's pretty awesome. So obviously we can't do some hardcore drive-bys here, but maybe one of you will buy it and then we can hook me up. We'll do a battle. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.